That's why God made a farmer, to keep us between the rows, to work hard, love harder, and you'll reap what you sow. So when you say grace for the food on your plate, pray a little longer, 'cause that's why God made a farmer. There's an old bump gate that still needs fixing, and a whole lot of fences that need mending. But he's tending to a newborn colt with a 2-quart bottle out in the barn, 'cause he lost his mama. It's 2 weeks to harvest time, the header's out on the combine, but he never falls behind. That's